All right, hello everybody. I'm Mike Burrell. I'm regional coordinator for Region 43, Hudson Bay Lowlands, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to assign squares on the website. So first thing you're going to do is open up your web browser and go to the Atlas website, birdsontario.org. Once you're there, make sure you click the login. That'll open up a new window or tab, which takes you to the Nature Counts data entry portal for the Atlas. Click sign in on that page and then enter your login information. Once you're signed in, you'll see an expanded set of menus along the top. To do a quick check, go hover over manage and you should see data review as the first option. If you don't see data review, then your account isn't properly linked to your regional coordinator role, in which case you need to contact Kaylin at the Atlas office to get that fixed. But I'm assuming that's working for you. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the Explore menu and then click Coverage Map. And that will take us to a new page where we see a map. And the map is going to be Canada as a default. You want to click Show Square Assignments and then update the map. And then you can start zooming in on where you want to make your edits. You can use the plus minus in the top left to zoom in and out, or if you've got a mouse with a wheel, you can spin the wheel forward or back to zoom in and out. I'm just going to skip over to this page here where I've zoomed in already, and you can see because we checked the show square assignments on this map where we're zoomed in, you can see a whole bunch of blue dots over around Orillia, Gravenhurst, Bracebridge, and Haliburton. Those regional coordinators are super on top of things and have already made square assignments in those areas. I'm going to show you an example here in the Peterborough area, how I would assign a square if it was my region. So I'm going to click on the square and pops up the name of the square and a whole bunch of other information. If you're not seeing all these things exactly how they are here, again, that's probably because you're not properly linked to your regional coordinator role and you'll have to get in touch with Kaylin. But I'm assuming you're seeing everything like I'm seeing here. There's a little toggle here, unassigned and assigned. To change it to assigned, you just click the assigned spot and then you want to make sure you hit save. But before you do that, you probably want to put in some notes. These are notes to yourself, so it's probably going to be something like the name of the atlaser, and any other notes. Hit save, and the map should refresh depending on how fast your internet is. So here it's starting to load up. There we go. And now that little square just outside of Peterborough shows that it's been assigned. It's got the blue dot. I'm going to unassign it now because I am not the regional coordinator for Peterborough. I'm going to delete the notes, change it to unassigned, hit save to update it. And that's just a good point to remind you that you should not be editing square assignments if they're outside of your region. That's about it. If you have any other questions about assigning squares, feel free to email me or the Atlas office or the Atlas Regional Coordinator Google group. And if you have any ideas for other tutorials you want to see like this, let us know. Thanks. See y'all later.